सुभाष वेलिंगकरान केल्ल्या वक्तव्या आड विरोध प्रदर्शन केल्ले त्या संदर्भात समन्स आयला म्हण सावियो कुतिन्हो फातोर्डा पुलीस स्थानकार हजर राविल्लो. कायद्याचे पालन करून हा पुलीस स्थानकार हजर रावला. ह्या केशीची स्क्रिप्ट मडगांवां तयार जाल्या आसतली म्हण दुबाव सावियो कुतिन्हो उक्तायला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
मेन सांगपा म्हणल्यार फातोर्डा पुलीस स्टेशन येवपा कारण म्हणल्यार आमकां एक नोटीस आयली अंडर सेक्शन 35 की आमी फातोर्डा पुलीस स्टेशनाक प्रेजेंट जावपाक एंड दिस इज वीथ रिगार्ड टू द प्रोटेस्ट which we had on account of the utterances of Subhash Velinkar against our patron saint, Saint Francis Savio. And in fact, it was a very short notice if you go to see. कित्याक काल सांजची 7 सुमार पावले ते आमचे कडेन घरा कडेन आनी आज 9 पाव म्हण सांगलें आमकां. But as law-abiding citizens, it is part of the investigation process. So we have come to record our statement. It is very astonishing to see that total 11 sections have been imposed on this protest that I held. 9 under the BNS, 1 section of the National Highway, and 1 section of 92 Rights to Persons with Disabilities Act म्हण तो एक सेक्शन लायला. आनी हितून भितर सेक्शन 191 घातला, that is of rights. आतां सपोज आमी रायट्स केल्या जाल्यार हू इन्सायटेड दीज रायट्स? सुभाष वेलिंगकर बाय द दिसिंग. सो तेजे ते सेक्शन कांयच ना. तेजे एक सेक्शनाचेर तो बरो सुटलो सामको VIP ट्रिटमेंट दिवन. बट नेवरदलेस, see, we are supposed to defend whatever charges are made. There are courts of law which will decide what is right and what is wrong. So I have recorded my statement. And secondly, if you go to see, apart from us, apart from the common man, and all the 500 people whosoever names have been recorded, there were BJP leaders also, like Manohar Asgaonkar, Baba Asgaonkar, Margaon municipal councillors, Milagrina Dias, Camilo Barreto, so many others were there. But somehow their names are not figuring. So this is a clear indication that this is a politically motivated case in the first place. And to target us basically, the BJP government, all said and done, would never want somebody who raises their voice against the wrongdoings of this government. And this is part of their plan. And I don't just suspect, but I would like to make a charge that this particular case is orchestrated or scripted at Malbat, Margaon, by the godman of Margaon. Because this case has been registered at Fatorda police station. Though the incident, whatever protests had taken place, had been initiated from Margaon. It was only partly in Fatorda, but somehow it is registered in Fatorda. So it is very clear that it is under his instruction, and somehow he doesn't want to show that he is involved. We have seen पयले तेका गॉट इनॉग्रेशन करपा वयता, कोणा आमची कॅथलिका इगोर्जी आल्तारा मुखार फोटो काडटा. सो हें सगळें तो दाखोवपा सोदता, पूण फाटल्यान कितें करता हें आख्ख्या गोंयकारांक खबर आसा. सो कितलें केलें म्हण जायना तें. देर इज बायस, देर इज नो डावट अबाउट इट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिकॉज वी द पीपल and the thousands of people who gathered for the protest had only gone to demand and question the police why an FIR was not registered against the person who gave such nasty statements and tried to create communal disharmony in the society. But nothing was done even after 4 days. So this is what they had gone to protest. But in spite of demand, such a huge demand from the general public, nothing was done. He was given a VIP treatment, a green channel for that matter. And whereas the protesters have been charged with so many sections, which is a clear indication that there is bias in fact. Our main, what hurts us is that the person who was responsible for all this mess has been left scot-free, and the people who were actually disturbed, because see, this is not the first incident. There were other incidents of a different community also in various places, North Goa as well as South Goa. But never we have seen such action being taken in that respect. So somehow this is a game plan of the BJP to harass certain sections. And as and when they require us, we will definitely be here.